One of the things that you can do in the process is you can, when you're intoning peace, or when you're toning your affirmation, you can look and say, okay, if, start looking at the implications here. If I am peace, then. If I am peace, then how do I feel? How do my muscles feel? Right? If I am peace, how do I breathe? What is my breathing like? Okay? And we can clock through the senses like this. If I am peace, if this is who I am, then how do I see? What does the world look like to me? If I am peace, how do I listen? You ask yourself what type of characteristics you would be synthesizing in your sensational experience if this was you. Now, right? This is totally imagination. Right? But when we play that game, when we do that exercise, when you walk through that mirror, okay,